Welcome back to Guide with Samuel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to create a content calendar for social media using ChatGPT. Let's get right into it. Planning your social media posts ahead of time is essential to maintain consistency and engage your audience effectively. With ChatGPT, you can quickly generate a detailed content calendar based on your brand's goals, audience, and preferred posting frequency. For example, you might say, create a monthly social media content calendar for a health and wellness brand, posting 3 times a week. ChatGPT will produce a schedule with content ideas, posts, captions, and suggested formats like images, videos, or stories. This helps you stay organized and ensures a steady flow of engaging posts. You can customize the calendar by adding specific dates, holidays, or campaign themes that aligns with your marketing strategy. Using a content calendar saves time and reduces last-minute stress, allowing you to focus on creating quality content and growing your social media presence. And that's it, guys. Now you have learned how to create an effective social media content calendar quickly and efficiently with ChatGPT. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.